Oh, snap, man. Oh, man. I can't believe what I just saw. I cannot believe what I just saw, guys. A few minutes ago, there was an accident on the Hutchinson. It was right behind me. I just finished dropping off my wife at the Target, and I'm heading to the Home Depot right now to return something. Yeah, it was a really bad accident on the Hutchinson, and I heard a really loud boom, and as soon as I heard that, like within half a second, I looked up really quick on the mirror, and I saw the car get hit. Actually, I think I heard the screeching tires, and I heard a boom, and I cannot wait until I get home to check out this accident that happened. So the guy was probably texting. He was going really fast texting, not paying attention in front of the road. All the cars were slowing down. And if you see in the video, when I heard that booming, I saw that car coming a little bit towards me. I just hit the accelerator fast to go forward because I did not want to get hit. When that happened, my adrenaline went up, and I started getting this eye pain. Now, now you guys are hearing my little health problems, but yeah, I suffer from eye pain too. When my adrenaline goes fast, or every once in a while, I get this really bad eye pain on my left eye. I've been to the doctor 3 times for it, and nobody can find anything. One doctor told me that it's a quirk of the body. So I cannot wait until I check out the footage at home so I can share it with you guys. I'm going to zoom in on it and show you guys what I saw. My wife was in the car, so I'm going to cut her out, edit her out. Sorry guys, she don't want to be on YouTube. My wife does not want to be on YouTube, so. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Bet you I grabbed it on the mirror. Baby, oh my God, thank you, God. I bet you he was texting. I know. Oh my goodness, baby. My heart is going down. Baby, I jet it. So I don't get hit.